Good morning. Let's get down to cleaning because my room is a mess. Yes, my room is a mess. Therefore, I need to clean it. It's Saturday. Instead of resting, I have to clean my room because I don't have time during the week. I had a nosebleed this morning. It was wonderful. It was wonderful. It was such an experience. I felt so honored to be able to bleed out of my nose at 8 in the morning. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do laundry because I haven't done laundry in like 2 weeks. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna separate my laundry because I can only do like small loads at a time because the dryers are so bad that your clothes will not be dry. I might watch Cobra Kai because I'm so behind. I should make my bed first actually. But we're gonna watch Cobra Kai. Alright, as you can see, the bed is now made. As you can probably also see, that poster is hanging on for dear life. So we're gonna fix that. So it got really hot in here like over the Christmas break and it just hasn't like cooled down, and so it caused like a lot of posters to fall off the wall. This one was still intact when I got back, but as you can see it's slowly starting to fall. So I have to be careful about the type of tape I use on it too because the tape rips like the posters really bad. I might just put push pins on this one instead. Like, wait, I have the tape off and just use the push pin. Like, this type of tape is fine, but the type of tape I originally used was like poster tape, and it, that's the one that like really rips the posters bad. So it's fine down here, but let's push that. Yeah, so like it's fine there, but I'm still gonna put this push pin on the top to reinforce it. To meet in French. To meet in Spanish. Oh, that might not work because I think it's because of this light right here. So what should I do? I was so confused. What should she do? She didn't know about me and I didn't know. I'm gonna use this tape again. I'm gonna make it a new piece because I don't think the push pin's gonna work because of where the poster is. Yeah. Hopefully this works. You can see it's sitting on the top. I wonder, do I care? Not really. Because there's still the other side. I'm not really right now. It just like ripped the back piece of the poster on. So, did it take some of the paint off? It's not my problem. Okay. So, I don't know why that took like 5 minutes, but this poster's so glossy. That one's kind of new. This one's new. I got it like 2 weekends ago. Sorry, I'm like in the corner. So, it's kind of sunny out. My hair looks kind of crazy now, but it's kind of sunny. I mean, I'm not really getting that much sun in my window yet, but maybe if the sun moves directions, then I'll get some more sun. Anyway, that's not the point, but I'm about to clean off this bed over here, straighten it up, because I just have like clothes on it. I've like tried to get better and not just like once I realized that I'm like not gonna wear a piece of clothing that day, putting it back on the hanger, but that doesn't happen. Look what I got on my oral skills test. 84. Oral skills is hard. It's hard. I have a meltdown in the front of your house because you're getting kicked out. It's hard. I guess first, while I'm here, I can throw this away. This is remnants of when my mother was here last weekend. Was it not last weekend? No, it was last weekend. Yes, my mom was here last weekend for the Valentine's Cabaret, which I sang in. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go throw this away and then I'll get started on this right here, this bed, because it's a mess. I lied. I just remembered I said that I was gonna separate the laundry and then go do laundry because I need to do laundry early before so I can get to a washing machine and a dryer, because once it gets later in the day, there are no dryers available. So let's do that. Ooh, there's people. My clothes in the washer. Now that I'm thinking about it, I should have brought my basket back down because I left it up there, but I should have brought it back down so that when they get done in the washer, I can bring the other load. But I'll just do it when I go up there and put those in the dryer. Yeah, I'll just bring it back and then bring it down. It's a lot of extra work, but it's okay. So yeah, all I have is one more load, and then what? Technically, I might just end up washing these. I was gonna separate the whites, but it doesn't really matter because they're not that like pristine for me to actually care. Like they're not like crisp white, so I kind of don't care. But I was trying to do better at like separating them. I was trying to be an adult, but you know, it doesn't matter. And then I just have a towel in this one sweater that I cannot wash with anything, so I'll probably just wash it with the towel because I don't really care. But the sweater, it like will get over everything. Like it's one of those. I'll show you it. It's one of these. I thrifted this, but it's American Eagle, but it's also inside out right now, but it's one of these type of sweaters, so you know how those get. Sorry about my vocal fry this morning too. Try to speak clearer. Anyways, yeah, so I'm about to straighten up now. Are either in the dryer or in the washer. I'm only gonna use one dryer, which is gonna take forever because I don't want to like hold up all the dryers because there's not that many. There's not that many washing machines either, but like it's easier to get a washing machine than it is to get a dryer. So yeah, so I have 2 loads in the washer right now and 1 in the dryer. And I know my logic probably doesn't make that much sense, but you kind of just have to be here to understand because like the dryers are never empty, except like right now because nobody was doing their laundry early in the morning. But that's why I do it early in the morning if I'm gonna do it, because I want to get a dryer, make sure that I can get one. But the dryers, I mean the washers are pretty much always empty. Like there was only one day that I've seen so far this semester where all of the washers have been full, and I think it was later in the afternoon. So yeah. But that's why it's gonna take me so long to do my laundry, is because I'm only using 1 dryer. And I have 3 loads of clothes, but it's okay. Yeah. But yeah, I've just been straightening up like this desk area over here. I can't point. I don't know how to point ever. Here. And then there's like towels on my bed that were clean, that were on here that I just never folded. Yeah. So that's what's going on now. Yeah, so I'm just gonna move those towels to where they need to be and all that stuff, and then yeah. So that's what I'm doing now. I'll just get back to finish straightening this up. I hope you enjoyed my snack break montage. I was feeling a little silly. Yeah, so now I'm actually gonna get back to work. I have not touched that desk yet again. So let's do it. Let's flip and do it after I fix my ponytail. It's probably, does that look any better? Probably not. I don't care. Okay, back to work. Okay, now the desk is clean. Isn't it? Aren't you? Aren't you clean? This needs to go in the sink, but I'll move it in a second. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna move on to this, the nightstand. Not the nightstand, that is the dresser. I'm gonna move on to that. Alrighty, so I basically like cleaned up over here all the way. I need to sweep, but I'm gonna do that after I finish cleaning the entire room. I wish I would have saw this before, but this jacket needs to be washed because I got mascara on it. I may have to do the stain thing on it first. But yeah, the mascara is brown and it's like right there. But yeah, and I still have this towel and sweater which needs to be washed as well, but I'm not gonna wash that right now. Once I clean over by the bathroom spot, I'm gonna hang these lights back up. Because I took them down for some reason, I don't remember why, but I did. Yeah, so I just got some sweeping to do over here. And I may wipe down like the windowsill and stuff like that, but yeah. I'm probably gonna go to the dining hall and just get something to eat later on before dinner. Yeah, but I'll do that when my clothes get done in the dryer because they're almost done. Yeah. Someone took my wet clothes out of the washer and put them on top of the washing machine. Like, I guess I can't be mad because I left them in there, but that's because I was trying not to use 2 dryers. But now I'm having to use 2 dryers because somebody just put my wet clothes on top of the washing machine, and I don't really want my clothes just out in the open. Somebody's clothes that are in the washer now are not going to be able to be put in a dryer because all the dryers are full now, except like one. Like, I don't know. I guess I can't be mad. The idea was there, but it wasn't there in someone else's mind. So, whatever. Alright, I went to the dining hall, but it was not hidden, so all I got from there was rice and some carrots. And then I came back and heated up a corn dog because I needed some protein. You need your protein. So, the rice probably has no flavor, and I didn't get any salt or anything, so, but that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish cleaning later. I basically cleaned up everything. The only thing that really needs to be cleaned now is the bathroom area, and I need to clean the bathroom because I haven't cleaned it in a while. All right, queens, I took a long break because I decided to chill until my friends got back so we could watch TV, and then I just went to the store to buy some things that I needed. So it's like 3 o'clock now. So my clothes are done, my laundry's done, so I'm gonna hang up that and then fold up that, and then I'm gonna get to the bathroom area. I'm sorry. But now we're back on the grind because I have nothing else to do all day, so. Okay, it's the next day and my room is still not clean because I got bored yesterday and it's like, I don't want to do this anymore today. So, the laundry that I did yesterday is like laying on my bed, but I like for some reason somehow ran out of hangers, but I don't know how I did that because I didn't bring any more clothes than I had. Like, I didn't bring any more clothes here, so I don't know how I ran out of hangers, but we'll just have to see about that. So I have some clothes on the bed, but that need to be fixed. That needs to be hung up, so that's fine. So I'm just gonna clean the bathroom section now and then clean the actual bathroom. I need to make my actual bed too. So I'll make my bed and then I'll get started over here. Yeah. Probably invest in like a mop or a Swiffer, but I don't have one right now. But I just got done cleaning the bathroom. I'm hot. It's hot in here. I think the fumes are getting to my head too, but I can't open the window, so I kind of just have to deal with it. But yeah, I'm just about to get into straightening up the rest of this because I gotta finish these. I have to finish hanging up these clothes. Then I need to sweep and just like throw away this trash that I have in here. And I think I'm gonna do another load of laundry because I have more towels and stuff because I used like 4 of the whitewash cloths when I was cleaning the bathroom. So yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to cut this fan on because I'm burning up, but it's holding it, you know? Anyways, yeah, so. And then I'm gonna shower because I kind of stink. No, I don't stink. I'm just hot and I haven't showered. So, yeah, I don't stink. You will never catch me stinky. These floors are so like scraped up and stained that it's hard to tell if they're actually like clean, like not covered in trash. But I think I did a pretty good job of getting it all. I mean, it's definitely gonna come back in like 2 days, but what can you do? The floors accumulate trash so easily. Okay, other than that, I did pretty well. Like, I think that's like everything too. That jacket is on there because I needed to treat it. This work is dirty. Should I put it in the washer with the other stuff? And I'll do it on a gentle cycle, so don't you worry your pretty little heads about it. But yeah. Oh, I still have to rehang up those lights that are on the bed. You probably can't see them. I need to rehang those up. So I just fixed the pillows and stuff animals on my bed. But let me put those lights up really fast and then I'll be done. I think. I mean, like, those jackets are there because I needed them off the floor, but I don't have any more hangers, so they're probably just gonna go right back at the end of the bed where they were, but. Okay, so I totally forgot that I said I was gonna hang up those lights. But I put my stuff in the washer and they're done, so they're in the dryer now. And I also went to brunch instead. I went to brunch right after I did that. And yeah, now I'll hang up the lights.
Sunday